Hello everyone, we are going to be diving into the onboarding process of 4P Super DM, a game changer in on-chain communication where one message or email equals one transaction. I'll guide you to the process of setting up your dashboard and sending on-chain emails and messages. Let's get started. Here we are at the landing page of 4P Super DM. First things first, let's connect our wallet. By connecting our wallet, we access the dashboard where we can see our account details, encryptor extension status, and storage NFT tab. Before proceeding, we need to choose a preferred network in the top right corner. In my case, I chose Phantom Sonic Builders Testnet. Once connected, we require test tokens to execute actions in the app itself. They are obtained through the faucet table in our documentation. Next up, you'll need to install the encryptor extension. After installation, make sure to click Register Encryptor in the app and confirm the transaction. And there you have it, now your encryptor is ready to use. Moving on, let's click on Connect PX NFT. After connecting, you'll need to mint your storage NFT. Confirm all the transactions. And just like that, you've acquired your very own storage NFT, ensuring data ownership to decentralized storage, like an on-chain USB drive. And that's it. The dashboard is all set and you are ready to send your first on-chain emails and messages, which you can find on the left side of the dashboard.